Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, for the first several, we just have to pick which um, hypothesis test it would be.
Okay. Um, I wasn't sure what this one was.
I think this one is the chi-square test of independence.
Okay.
So I was looking the different ones up, and that's the one that made the most sense. But
Okay.
and then this next one has to do with like so there's like the 40-year-old or younger or 40-year-old and the different groups and things.
Mhm.
I think it's the test of two proportions.
That's what I put down.
Okay. And then this next one, I think the next one was just the test of one proportion. The one it's a random sample of 2,406 adults.
Okay. I wasn't sure if it was just one proportion or two,
Yeah, I
but
think it's just
I
one.
guess it's just males. So, okay.
Test of one proportion. And then
Um,
I think this was the paired sample t-test.
that's what I was thinking.
Okay, so it'll be C. And then the weight gaining during pregnancy of the mother. Um, I think I chose the ANOVA test. So
Um, yeah, I think that makes sense.
okay.
Okay.
Then the next one is the different confidence intervals. Um, so I think the first one with the bank, I think I kind of narrowed it down. I think it's the paired samples T confidence interval.
I
I
have
think
no idea. So,
I think it would be C.
okay.
So
These are so hard for me to figure out sometimes.
and see, I'm glad I opened it up because now like to this past, I opened it up probably like an hour ago, and I've just been kind of like looking over the
Oh, nice.
different um, confidence intervals and different things. So that's the one that I think worked out the most. So
Okay.
and I mean if you don't want to submit it right after we're done here, so that you can kind of review them, I can submit it and see kind of what's going on if you want.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay.
So, but the Wall Street Journal article. Oh, this one with the 90%
Um,
confidence interval. So this one was weird, because it's not any of the like one sample Z, T, or paired. I
yeah.
think it's the +4 um, confidence interval for two proportions because I think it has to be the two proportion one. I don't really remember the +4 thing though,
Yeah, I
like
don't know what that
that
is.
much. Yeah. So I had to look that one up, and that's the one because it's not one proportion. So since it's two, I'm just assuming that's the one it is.
Okay, I'm good with that.
So F. Oh yeah, and then the next one, yeah, it was these two that Really screwed me up. I think I just ended up for the next one putting E,
Okay.
the +4 confidence interval for one proportion.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't remember a lot about the +4 thing.
Yeah, I don't remember reading it at all unless I just skipped over it or
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. So, let's see, double stuffed Oreos.
Would it be like just the Z one or a T confidence interval?
I think it'd be a T confidence interval, so the one sample, because just the Oreos. One
Okay.
sample T confidence interval.
Okay.
Which one of the following best defines the notion of the significance level of a hypothesis test?
Is it like the type 1 error or?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I was thinking too, the probability of the type 1 error.
Okay.
The notion of the p-value of a hypothesis test. Isn't that the second one, the longest answer?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's got to be.
Yeah. I think this one's either the first or the second one. But
I was actually thinking it was the. Let me see. Let me read this one more time. I think I was thinking it was the 95% of all 95% confidence intervals actually contain the true mean, but because hold on. Yeah.
well, you might be right. You probably are right. I think I remember reading something kind of like that.
Well, I remember that being an
So,
answer to one like a couple weeks ago, and so I think it kind of like stuck in my head
okay.
for some reason that it was the same kind of
Okay.
question, but it was something about a certain percentage of all percentage confidence intervals. So
Okay.
I think that was it.
Okay. I'm good with it then. The mean, is that just 0.3?
Yep, it'd be 0.30. And the standard deviation.
I think I got 0.046.
Yeah, 0.046. And then the probability that you ran a sample of 100 adults. I think that one was 0.138.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
All right. For this next one, you have to enter it into that chart thing, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
The Excel chart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't exactly remember how to do it because I was trying a few different things and I wouldn't ever come up with any of the answers listed.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember how I inputted the.
Because like it has the X and the N inputs,
Uh-huh.
and are you just supposed to put in like the total amount for X and then the total for N,
See,
or
I think that's what I did.
what did you do? You remember what you had for the
The
first one?
2,142. I think I had gotten the negative 0.004.
Okay.
At least I got that one of the, because I think when I put it in, it didn't work the first time, right? I didn't get any of the numbers the first time,
Uh-huh.
but it was like the second or third, I finally got negative 0.004.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that's right.
Do you
But
remember
I couldn't
what?
remember which one I put in. I think it was the total and
Okay.
uh, let's see, and the dizziness. Um, I can't remember.
Yeah, that was just my biggest thing. I was like, I don't know. I
Yeah.
forgot.
Was there like a? I'm trying to remember where like the instructions, or if there's like an instructional video or something.
I think there probably is. I just haven't looked at it yet.
We'll have to go over that again or something.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay. Mhm. So for 18, would it be just the regular P equals and then not equal to? Or,
Yeah, I think it's the P1 is equal to P2, and then P1 is not equal to P2.
okay.
And then value for test statistic. See, I think I got the 1.458.
Okay.
And then yeah, that's right, because then the p-value is 0.145.
Okay.
And then is there sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of people who experience dizziness?
Would be yes.
Well, see, I was thinking it wouldn't
Or,
just because the what was it? Hold on. Because the p-value was less than the test statistic, and then
mhm.
uh, yeah, so I think it'd be no, and then I failed to reject.
I can never remember if it's less than this level of significance, you fail to reject it. Is that
I
what it is?
believe, yeah, I believe so, yeah. So,
Okay.
so since the level of significance is 0.05, we got the 0.145 and 1.45. I think it would be no, I failed to reject. HO.
Okay. Okay. I wasn't sure how to do this one either.
So I think you just input, I think I just inputted the, yeah, I inputted these numbers into SPSS.
You did?
Yeah,
Okay.
um, for morning and evening.
And then, did you go to the data and then weight cases? And then when you go to analyze, do you go to crosstabs? Is that what you click on? Do you know?
I think so, yeah.
I just can't remember.
Because it's under the top, like, analyze data, and then, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think you're right. I should pay more
Okay.
attention to the buttons I'm clicking.
It's okay.
But and then yeah, because I think I got I got the 6.580 for the test statistic, and the p-value was the 0.087.
Okay.
And then since the since our p-value was 0.087, it's greater than the 0.05. It'd be no because the p-value was greater than 0.05.
Okay.
Do you have sufficient evidence to conclude that age makes a difference? See, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Would it be because we rejected the null or failed to reject?
Yeah, no, because I failed to reject. So yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, that's right. I think I had to do this one a couple different times too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think this one was kind of like that last one. I think I got 0.195 and the 0.315. Because I think this was pretty similar to the problem a couple ago. Number
Oh yeah.
17?
One
Yeah.
second. I'm entering in the values. I came up with like 0.190 and then 0.310. So do you think it's just I'm off by a little? So it's just 0.195.
Yeah, you must be off somewhere a little bit. But at least
Okay.
that's close.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
okay. And then what sample size would be needed to construct a margin of error of 2% with 90% confidence? I think it'd have to be that 1,537, 1537. That's what I figured.
I think, yeah, I think you're right.
Okay. Which of the following pairs of hypotheses is the most appropriate for addressing this question?
It would be the greater than one for
the p is greater
alternative.
than 0.2.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
So it's like
p equals
P
0.2, and then p is greater than 0.2. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's greater than or equal to 5, right? Or is it? Hold on. The 10.
I think it's the 10 actually.
Okay. What was 5? Wasn't there something that had to be equal to 5?
Yeah. No, that's what I was just trying to think of.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Oh well.
But yeah, I think it's the NP is greater than or equal to 10.
Okay.
The test statistic. It's nice that there's actually like options, and you don't have to
I
type
know,
it in.
I love it.
Like it makes you feel a little more confident.
I wish
You get
the actual test was like that.
Yeah. So I got 1.768 for the test statistic.
Um, $1.768.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then p-value. So I got 0.039.
One second. I can't find it. I don't know. 0.039.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then since our p-value is less than 0.05, I think it'd be yes.
We reject the null.
Yeah, so yes, I reject the null.
Okay.
I think that's all of them.
Yep, I think so.
Make sure all my make sure all the circles are filled in and spaces
Yeah.
are filled.
Yeah.
They are. Okay. Wow, look at that. No way.
Yay.
Sweet.
Nice
That paid
job.
off. Yeah, that's good. So, all right.
Alright.
Well,
Do we have anything due this week for our project thing?
oh yeah. Is our data due by Saturday?
I don't know. I'm gonna look real quick.
Okay.
Yeah. It is due
It
Saturday.
is.
Yeah.
So do we just all have to get it to you, and then are you the
I
leader that week, or you just have to like type it up or something?
I think this week we all submit our own stuff,
Oh, okay.
and then next week is
Oh,
me.
that's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
I know if you click
is
on
there
there's like a link that takes you to how to do everything.
how to input the data?
I think if you go to like Saturdays, like what's due on Saturday, it just shows collect the data, and then there's a link you can click on, and
Wait, where's that
it
at?
um just like where your stuff that's due for Saturday.
Like on the dashboard?
Yeah.
Oh,
And then scroll until you find collect the data.
oh, gotcha. Okay. Yeah, in fact, I need to go to the store and buy some M&Ms.
Yeah, I need to too.
I've been meaning to do that, but
Me too. I just keep forgetting. So.
okay. Yeah,
Well.
sounds good. So, all right. I don't know if we're gonna be meeting with Braxton on Thursday or what, since he's gone
Yeah.
now.
I don't know either. So.
But, and I mean, I don't know if we text him if we'll get a hold of him or what. In fact, maybe I'll just shoot him a text now. And just ask if he'll be available on Thursday.
Okay.
Here, I'll just send it on the group text so you get a. I'll just send it on the group text so you can get a copy of it too if he responds.
Okay, sounds good.
So. As for like a time, I think I'm probably pretty flexible.
All right, I'm gonna look real quick and see what my schedule is. I work till 5, so could we do it after 5?
Yeah, that should work. I don't think I have any problems with that because I think I work till like 3:30 anyway. So.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll plan on. What do you want to plan on? Like, what? 5:15, 5:30. Whatever is better for you.
Whichever. Let's plan 5:15.
Okay.
So.
We'll plan on that. So unless we hear from Braxton and he wants to do it like really later or something.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah. Okay.
who knows? So. All right. Sweet.
All right.
We'll see you on Thursday then.
Okay. Good luck on the test.
Yeah. You too.
Thanks.
Bye.
See ya.